What is up, guys? It is January 25th, 2022, and we are going to be going over SPY today. We had some crazy red days the past few days. I didn't have any day trades for most of them. I don't have one today. I have one tomorrow, but we are still going to go over and see what we think might happen today. I had a fib retracement drawn just to see what happened. I was kind of curious if it would head down and mid candle at the 350 area. That would be pretty interesting if it did. It might give us a good opportunity for some leaps, or just maybe some like shorter term options, like a month or two. But right now we're just gonna go over day trades. I don't think the fib will really get in the way, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now. I've got these red lines that I'm gonna use. When I'm looking for supply and demand zones, I just look for places that have a lot of touches historically with large amounts of volume. Right here. Kind of like that right there, actually. Today's going to be weird. There's a lot of opportunity, I feel like, in today. But a lot of risk, too. I don't know which way it's about to go. We're going to drop down into the hour. This one right there. I think right here is probably pretty good. So this is almost as good as we can get right now. I think we could see it bounce somewhere in the zone I drew out, give us a long opportunity and see something out of here. It could just as easily just bleed out all day. We're just gonna keep our eye out for something good. Like I said, I don't even have a trade today. It might be for the best that I don't. I'm gonna just look and see if there's any good entries here, test my strategy. Otherwise, today I'm looking at PLTR. I have some leaps, some $20 leaps that I bought a long time ago that are very sad right now, probably right around here. Actually right around here. So I am thinking about averaging down today. Other than that, there's nothing really today. MindMed, I am looking for something as well. I haven't looked at this graph in a few days, but it's actually getting like close. And BBIG is something that I have been holding since like August. Bought right around here, sold right around here, bought right around here, sold calls right here, sold calls, bought some more down here, sold calls. I actually just sold puts to yesterday, so if we get a reversal, I'm playing this one pretty well. See what happens with it. But yeah, everybody, good luck today. Hope you all do well, and we'll be back at 4 to see how we did. What is up, guys? It is 2:11 in the afternoon. Stock market isn't closed yet, but I don't have any trades today, and this is my lunch break, so we are covering it right now. In the morning, I said we would probably see some sort of consolidation in this demand zone, and then we would hope for it to rip, unless we would see another bearish day, which I didn't think was really possible considering all of this downside that happened recently. Ignore this Fibonacci. I accidentally moved that. All right, yeah, but I didn't think it would go down. I thought we would see a little bit of a bounce or some sort of consolidation in here. So we saw it consolidate in the zone for a little bit. I usually play the 1 minute, so we would have been right in here. It played outside of it a little bit right here. Came out here. Good opportunity for longs right here on this consolidation, and it just went off. Made some good money there. Right here is a decent opportunity for a short if you're trying to. Like I said, consolidated in here longer than I expected it would have. Around 1 o'clock, we saw a signal that it was going to reverse upward. Enter right here. This would have been a solid trade for the end of the day. Don't really trade that late into the day, but it would have been a good one. It was one that's still paying off. Might see it keep going until the rest of the day. Today was, I feel like there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. I also kept my eye on PLTR. I averaged down on my leap calls for this one. It's a little green today. Hopefully this one picks back up. I'll see what happens with it. I'm not in like too deep, but yeah, it would be nice to see this one make some money now that I've averaged down. I'm about to have my friend Z on. Hopefully, we're gonna talk and discuss some of his trades. He's a little more short bias, and he also plays a lot more stocks than me, so he might have some good insight that I don't have. We'll see what happens.
All right, what's up, brother? So, what trades did you make today?
I've took 4 trades so far. Right now it's 2:30, so market's still going. But the first trade I took was on LVS. I think it was kind of following the SPY here. SPY kind of had like it had a fake opening range breakout to the top and then went down. I have this candle hidden right here, because it was like a wick. Like, did you see that? Y'all probably saw that wick, but it went to like the $300 and it messed up my chart, so I deleted that. But that's irrelevant. Anyways, I took this on LVS because SPY started coming down, and I liked this taking this low here. But on the 1 minute, it didn't activate. It just barely touched it, and I like that it came up to VWAP and tested it real quick. And then I took it short right here, right when it came back down, because I was looking for this daybreak and I wanted this little flush here.
Okay. So you thought all the stops were at that red hammer, basically.
I don't know. I just liked it because the SPY's been going down. It had a reversal in the beginning, and I just liked I don't know.
Just looked like a good spot.
Yeah. Because I wanted this low at daybreak, and when it didn't really break that hard, I just got out of the trade out here for just minimal profit. This was like a less than 1-to-1, but I really just didn't want to sit in here.
Yeah.
But if I did hold, that was like a 3-to-1 maybe, but I'm not trying to hold that. I wanted like a hard flush, and in the morning, if you don't get like a big move right off the bat, I'm just gonna take my profit and move on to the next one.
Yeah.
This wasn't really like my setup. I just wanted kind of a little flush on lower daybreak scalp. So I just got out because it just didn't do what I wanted it to right away. Not my trade, so I got out. A little bit of profit there, nothing big. Nice. And then the next one was ATVI. This was just a stupid trade, but the only reason I took it was because of this daily candle under candle. So I gapped up on that Microsoft buyout news, and I've been trying to short this kind of all week, and it's just been choppy.
I really wanted to start right there. That gap up, is that from that?
This is the daily chart.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
This was a week ago when the Microsoft had the buyout news or whatever, so it gapped up like crazy. And then this level right here, this 8150 level, I've been waiting for. So I shorted it yesterday, I think, and I made a little money off this. But I really wanted the daily candle under candle right here, so I took it. I was watching this and I missed it. The short was right here. This was a good setup right here, especially with SPY starting to reverse here as well. But I hopped on right on this candle because it had this little bounce and then like a fake 1 minute candle over candle. And I wanted this like low of daybreak right here I wanted this low of daybreak into the candle under candle, the daily, which is what we got, right? If you look at the 1 minute here, this was the daily low, right? So I entered right here trying. Yep, exactly. So I just wanted to get this little low of daybreak flush into the daily under candle, which is exactly what happened. But I didn't like sitting in this, so I got out. I got out around here when the daily candle under candle happened, but nothing happened. And again, I got out too early, but it's whatever. Little profit. It didn't, it's just Chop City. I didn't want to sit any longer. I didn't want to take an L, because taking an L at the beginning of the day just kind of kills the mood.
Yeah.
So that's 2 small wins, and then the next trade was LVS. This was my 3rd trade of the day. Was right here on LVS at 1120. I liked it because, well, it just broke on the high of day here and kind of failed. And then it made this W play right here. So it had 3 pullback candles, 1 candle over candle, and then back down. Actually, this isn't a true W, but actually. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, this is a W, and it triggered here, and then it failed. So like to put out a context here, I shorted it under right here, right after this W play failed.
Okay.
Shorted it there, risking so 56. So this is only 12 cents risk. And my goal was right around here. So I ended up selling here. Could have gotten more, but you know, that's a 2-to-1 trade right here.
Stick to the plan.
So I'm in and out in this kind of market. It's like, especially today, it's just super choppy. I'm just trying to get in and out. I'm not worried about milk and stuff. So yeah, that was the one play. This was a good one. My other first two were kind of my first two were very small positions and just trying to catch just a nice flush scalp type thing. My last trade was my best trade, and the one I put most money in. So pretty much this is my one and done trade for the day. Was right here. This is American Express. Had this huge pop it open. Look at that candle.
Yeah.
Broke high a day, and it started coming back. And I was just watching it. I didn't really want to trade it until this happened right here. We got this like little 3 points of contact. Really good risk reward right here. Enter on this on the break here, risking this. So on the 5-minute, this is what it looks like. I just really liked it. One reason I almost didn't take this was because of this right here, this high. This is a key level right here. So, and we're kind of, you know, just resting on it. And it's like you could take it, you can't, because you could just get a bounce right here, and then it'll just, you know, shoot up. But if you do get a nice break on this kind of level, you will get a really nice flush, which is exactly what we saw. And so this was a 2-minute trade, and I exited out. So I was risking about 50 cents there to make $1 in 2 minutes. So that was a banger trade. This was it right here. 2-minute trade, in and out, done. And then I'm done for the day. I didn't take anything after this. I actually did want to take this long so bad, because SPY started reversing, AXB hitting VWAP here. This was really good, super low risk. This was the entry right here on this candle above this, above 168.88, and then risking, you know, down here. So super low risk trade.
You entered this one long?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I was a little too slow. I was thinking about it, but didn't really want to. And then it just kind of just upticked like crazy there, and I was just like, oh damn, that would work. Yep. So, yeah, like look at that. I mean, that's like, that's nice right there. But yeah, that was it. Couple and trades, but just got in and out, and then this was my banger for the day. Doesn't look like much, but that's $1 move. That's pretty good.
It's big. Yeah. What's the
Pretty
price of the stock?
171 there. So.
Oh, got you. So you had to buy a
Yeah,
couple
so-
shares to get some money out of it. Would you
Yeah.
play? I bet options on that would have been pretty good.
I mean, it was very liquid, so I mean, it was good. I mean, I took 20 shares there. So I mean, if I took a little more, that would have been nice. But I mean, still, that's a $20 trade in 2 minutes.
100%.
I ain't complaining.
Good money.
So yeah.
So you're basically just looking for like support, like strong support that gets broken.
Yeah, I'm looking for key levels. I've been really focusing on trading with SPY, which I keep down here, and I'm just always looking at. So I've been playing. So I can't trade options on my TradeZero account right now. So when I want to play the general market, I've been playing this LVS because it just moves with SPY. It's fairly liquid and it has good moves, and I can short it. It's easy to borrow, so I just been playing this when I'm playing the general market, and that's why I traded LVS this morning. It's just because it's just moving with SPY, and I was just playing SPY pretty much. So
Nice.